Okay, topic three, super cool school. Okay, what are some school rules? Maybe elicit some answers from the students, and then watch the video and you'll find some more rules there. So compare the two pictures. What can make class boring or exciting? So get them to do it for about a minute and help them to make sure they compare. So using words like however, on the other hand, whereas, they should be using these conjunctions, and then answering the question. So yeah, what can make class boring or exciting? Get them to answer what they think. So again, some collocations here. So attend school, get them to just elicit the answers, what they know, and basically I think it's quite straightforward there. As well as make and do are good to have together so they learn it. Pass or fail, make sure they know which is which. Okay, so put in the correct order. So first is obviously kindergarten and so on. Okay, I put these together because British English usually we say secondary school, American English high school, but we mix it now. It's pretty much, so elementary is typically originally probably English, British English, sorry, the other way around. Primary school, no, that's right. Secondary school would be British English with primary school British English, and high school, elementary school would be American English, but we mix them up anyway, so it's just English. University or college is the last thing where students study, and you can explain the differences, but usually colleges have lower class degrees in terms of you can't do, for example, a PhD in a college, but at the university you should be able to. Okay, what age can they start? You could just go through them. I haven't put the answers here, but I think in England anyway, 3 to 4, then elementary is from 5, secondary school is from 11, and then 19 probably plus. Okay, in pairs, 3 rules for your, so get them to work in pairs, think of some school rules, they can write them down. And then this good one is why it exists. Okay, thinking a bit deeper now at this level. So it says do not run in the corridor. Why? Well, because you might bump into somebody or trip over or something. Have you ever broken them? Okay, so well, yes, I have run in the corridor before. So think of a new school rule. Okay, something new. Okay, so again, they can do that in pairs, get some creative thinking going. Homeschooling. Okay, this is quite popular in some countries like Australia. And would you like homeschooling? You can explain what it is. It's not online schooling. It's when you're learning from your parents at home. And okay, so in pairs, the pros and cons. Okay, pluses and minuses. I can think of some. Do you know anyone who is homeschooled? If they don't, then maybe the teacher does. Okay, so here I haven't got the answers, but you can go back to the slides to elicit the answers, or to get them to find the answers. Okay, and then the games, right? Guess the subject. So the student has to, so the students should know the teachers, so they try and describe the teacher. So you have to count numbers. Mrs. So-and-so teaches it. Oh, that's maths. Okay. Guess the classroom items, so something you see in the classroom. If it's online, you could do it in your room. And then you could say the first letter. So I say something beginning with B. And students have to ask yes/no questions. Is it big? Is it yellow? Is it round? Is it on the floor? And if they use up all the 10, then the person has won who gave the B. Okay, and the first one to touch something. So if you're in class, it could be also online, it might be a bit more difficult, but first one to touch the bin or a table or something. And role playing, okay, you give out some cards, 1 to 6. For example, strict teacher, nice teacher, naughty pupil, good pupil, bully, teacher's pet. And the pupils have to act out what's on their card. They could do it in pairs if needed, and the others have to guess what they're playing. Okay, and you can go straight to the Kahoots. So that covers all the main phrases, vocabulary, and that's Cool School.